Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is day number 3 in Maui, the island of Maui, Hawaii. And it is day number 2 on the FZ-07 that I rented to ride around here. And welcome to the road to Hana. That is correct. The well-known road to Hana. Oi. Woo-hoo-hoo. That is some turn right there. This is the infamous road to Hana. One of the 3 things that I wanted to do while I was visiting here, and today is the day, because I looked at the weather forecast and voila, it is absolutely gorgeous today. It is supposed to be raining and thunderstorming today at around 5 p.m. So by that time I should be getting to Hana and on my way back. These are some fun twisties over here. Problem is that this is the first time I'm on this road. And again, not trying to make any excuses, but just simply being realistic. First time riding this road. First time on the bike. I do not like the feel of the bike at all. It's very annoying to hear the chain. How did that get here? It is very annoying to not have a properly maintained bike. For me, that is a no-no. I absolutely hate it. That chain is making all kinds of noise. God knows how long it's been since they actually replaced it. Yeah, I should have gave it a better look over when I was picking it up and asking them to see if they have some chain cleaner and chain lube, because it might have made the ride a little bit more pleasant. But yeah, I'm too lazy, and like I mentioned before, I'm not really riding a whole lot here. Maybe just, I don't know if I'll even get to 300 miles while I'm here this week. And here we go. Yep, this is to be expected here. Get stuck behind slow traffic, but it's all good. God, that chain is so annoying. I can hear it through my helmet. Pretty beautiful road. Hana, I believe, is about maybe 50 miles from Kihei. It's not too bad. Maybe I think it takes about 2 hours to get there. And as you can see, it's an absolutely gorgeous road. But it wouldn't be as annoying if wouldn't be stuck behind slow traffic, but it's okay. As far as stops on the road, I just left a place called Twin Falls where you can do a hike. The hike is about a mile long to some nice falls. There, whoa, what in the world? That dude just crossed the double yellow. The hike is yeah, about a mile long, and along the way you get to see 2 waterfalls. They're pretty small. And they do charge a parking fee. It's $10 for cars and $5 for bikes. So not too bad. Nice place to bring the family and just do a little short, moderate hike. It is very humid, so I was kind of sweating a little bit. And because I am riding, I'm all about safety, so I have my riding pants with Kevlar and nowhere to store my helmet, so I had to bring that along. So yeah, it was pretty uncomfortable. A lot of people in shorts and swimwear, people dipping in the waterfall. There's some areas where you have to cross the water a little bit. It's not really deep or anything like that, but you do get your feet wet in some areas. So highly recommend doing this. I think it's on everybody's bucket list when you come to when you come to Maui, I guess. Don't know what the best time would be to come here and not deal with the slow moving traffic. Maybe the earlier the better, but I'm kind of lazy. I'm not a morning person, so I kind of took my time. Figured it wouldn't take that long to get to Hana and back, but who knows. As long as I am on the way back by 5 o'clock when the rains are supposed to hit, I'll be happy. Alright, more road work here. What are they doing? Trimming? Yeah, looks like they're trimming the palm trees.